Okay, now these are the extensions for the 29 HD Sno-Way plow. Okay, I wanted to show you guys how these go on and how they stick out. And these are the 9-inch extensions, and these are the manual extensions. Okay, so we're going to take them out. I want you to see how far they stick out of the blade itself on an angle, and go from there. Okay, so to mount these, and I take them off and on when I go down the road and whatever, because they're pretty wide with them on. These come with 2 holes here and 2 holes here. Okay, now when you slide them in, just line them up like that. Okay, and it comes with a bracket like this. Okay, so it's got a kind of a bolt on the end. They welded a bolt in here. I guess it's just easier. You could put a nut on here if you want, but you slide that in there like that. You close this up, and they give you some spring pins like this, and you put that in there. I'm not going to hook that up now. And then they got another hole here and another hole here, and they're in the manual. They tell you to put it in this hole here. Now, if you got another pin or whatever, and you want to put another one there, you can. But other than that, that's about it. They stay put. And don't go anywhere until you're done. Take them out, throw them in the back of the truck. I wanted to show you guys the space that is in here. Now you can see how close that is. Okay, that's pretty cool right there, eh? It's not a lot of space. It funnels off really good, but all in all, it's a great product. I'll tell you what, they're heavy. They're really not heavy like to lift, but well reinforced, and I think they're going to do well. Okay, so it's swinged over all the way to the driver or passenger side. This is an F250, so we're going to measure how far from the ground. Okay, that's 3.5 inches. That's all you got clearance there if you want to go down the highway. So if there's a bump in front of you, she's definitely going to catch it, if you got her angled to one side or the other. Okay, you guys, in the description there are the links for these extensions. Now, they're really hard to find on the internet, even in your dealer, anything. So I had to get a hold of the local dealer and said, hey, send me a link to the extensions so I can see what they are, a video and all that kind of stuff. So they sent me that. I'm going to put those in the description so you guys have those links, and easy to find. So good luck to you.